Hello friends, welcome to Zubair Mobile YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to unlock FRP lock of Samsung highest security patch level. So you can see, first of all I would like to see that the FRP lock of this mobile. So you can see here is requirement a pattern and then Google account. So we don't know anything, so just we will back and okay. So here is the back option. Okay, so now you can see we are on Wi-Fi appearance. So what you all have to do, okay, so simply you have to open this software. This is the easy Samsung FRP tool 2020, but make sure to always download latest one. So I am going to put data cable. Okay, so simply insert a data cable into your phone, and before doing this make sure the Samsung USB driver should be installed in your PC. So what I am going to do here is the options of bypass FRP. When we will click here, then it will go through in Chrome browser. So simply I will click here, and then it is showing before start you must connect your device to Wi-Fi. So first make sure that your device should be connected to a Wi-Fi. So simply click OK. Now it will read some information of your device and then it will launch a browser. So you can see here easy FRP, and just click on view, and now you will redirect to your browser. So you can see just here is showing a Samsung browser. It is showing update, remind me later. You have to no need to update this. Okay, so here what you all have to here you have to type efrp.me. So just type here. Okay, I think focus problem. Yeah, now perfect. So type here efrp.me. So just click go. Okay, so now you can see on the top side you can see here is the options of 3 opens tab bar. So first is for opening a Galaxy Store, second is for search app store, and third is to direct go to in setting. So just click here, go to setting. You will directly go in setting, and then you have to simply find here, okay, device maintenance. So it can be different in your mobile. It can be device maintenance, device means device care. So it depends on update version of your Samsung mobile. So first of all click here device maintenance, and then you can see 3 dots on the top side. You have to simply touch here, and then you have to go on about device maintenance. So it is showing update. When you click here update, I have agree, and then start. So now you are redirect in your Galaxy Store. So simply you have to type here Samsung Google Play service, Google Play hidden service. Okay, so after when you search here Google Play hidden service, you will see the options here of a setting icon. So you have to simply install this application. This application is only 2.2 MB. So it will, okay, it is asking me to sign in, but when you go back, then it will download without entering any ID. Okay, so now you can see it has downloaded. So simply you have to click here open, and then go down. Here you will see on the second option web page promotion. You have to simply click here, and then you will reach into entering pattern lock, password lock. You can enter any one of them. You can enter pattern, pin, password, anything. So now I am going to enter pattern. So do not require, just click continue. So now I am going to type here Z for Zubair Mobile. So it is showing keep your anything, whatever. You have to just simply click skip, and that's all you all need to do. So I am going to now add is showing. So now you have to restart your device, and then wait until or unless your device will turn on. So this is too easy process, and if your device is updated in latest security patch level, so this is the highest security patch level FRP unlock process. You can simply unlock your FRP. So now I am using my Samsung J7 Prime, and I tried this process in many high security mobile like okay, so now it's turned on. Just click here and make sure to connect Wi-Fi again, it will connect automatically, and then click next, and then again you have to simply mark here and then next. Again it will ask you to enter your pattern or Google ID. So just before, while we entered our pattern, so I entered so I entered Z. So just simply type here the pattern which you draw in your device in that time. So finally it will take some time. So now you can see here is the options of skip. So simply touch here skip. So finally we have bypass our Samsung Google FRP. So congratulations, that's all you need to do. So finally let's wait, we are going in home screen. Okay, so now you can see it's all done. You don't have to do now anything, your FRP has been unlocked now. Just click continue. It is asking gender, just skip age. Optimizing app, so Samsung always required to install some application, but we will skip all applications to install. So I will show you how you can do it. So simply here is modify, just click here and unmark these all apps. Okay, so I have unmarked all the applications and then finish, boom. So it's unlocked FRP now. So you can try in your any Samsung mobile if this is the new I will show you the security patch level of this mobile. So you can see Samsung Experience version is 9.5 and Knox version is 3.2, and you can see the Android security patch level is also latest 1 April 2020. So I hope that this video is really helpful to you, and if this video is really helpful to you, then don't forget to like this video, and if you want to support us, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can comment below. Okay, so bye, take care, thanks for watching.